What is happening, guys? Undisputed Vlogs here, and today we're back again. We're actually back, but we stopped doing that. We're actually back with another video that we did before, that I actually did with Brandon. It was like a week ago, which is riddle solving. I decided that I want to do it again because it was pretty fucking funny. And yeah, Brandon enjoyed it. Brandon's the one that actually wanted to do it the most.
He's got this back cunt sitting with him.
So, yeah, let's just get straight into it. Anyway, asking the riddles first. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do as we did last time, actually. You get 3 hints, but these 2 are going to be working as a team to suss it out.
Oh.
So, good luck. When you do not know what I am, then I am something. When you know what I am, then I am nothing. What am I?
A penis.
I don't know, it sounds like something spiritual.
Maybe it sounds like some Shakespeare shit.
Oh! No, it does sound like something spiritual. Spiritual. Spiritual.
And repeat it.
When you do not know what I am, then I am something. When you know what I am nothing. What am I? Remember, you can always use your 3 hints. I'm trying to think of a hint right now.
It just sounds spiritual to me.
Take a guess or else for him.
Hint.
Something to do with this video. It's a word that will be in the title of this video.
Oh, it's just confusing me even more.
I don't know, I was going to say vlogs.
I think that just gives it completely away. No, that's the name of the channel. Well, think of the title of this video. Think of the title of the last one.
Oh!
Yeah, come on, Ron. What's the title?
Riddle solving?
Yeah. So, when you know me, right? When you do not know me, what am I? Yeah, riddle. Because when you do not know me, what am I? Then when I'm something, you know, right? Then when I'm something, when you know what I am, I'm nothing. Because whenever you know it, it's not a riddle anymore.
I got one.
I thought it was wind or some shit. That's gonna say wind.
Nope.
Spiritual and fucking.
Right. This one is very easy. I've asked Mark this one, and it was the funniest shit.
Did he know?
No. I ended up getting frustrated and telling, right? A man is 24 years old, but he has only 6 birthdays. How is this possible? Are you serious?
A man is 24 years old and has 6 birthdays.
Yeah. He's only had 6 birthdays in his entire life. How is this possible? There's only one way for this to be possible, so... There's only one way.
8 year?
Yeah. 29th February. Ron just gave up full light.
I know, that's not a very fucking familiar to me.
I was
Right.
going to say his age there, I don't know why.
Because he said it, I was like, I thought he meant like...
No, because when he said 20 and then he said 6 birthdays, I thought like 26 or something.
He said he was 24 and he even had 6
Did he
birthdays.
say 24, 20?
He's 24.
Oh, I
He's
thought you
gonna have
said
6
20.
birthdays. Right, next one. A king, a queen, and 2 twins all lay in a large room, yet there are no adults or children in that room. How is this possible? This one's actually pretty smart to me.
Kitties!
King, a queen, and 2 twins, all in the same room, yet there's no adults or
I
children.
was going to say something about Prince George.
I swear to fuck, batches, that's all. It's a chest.
No.
Fuck!
See, if the king, queen, when I first read it, I thought it was chess, and I saw 2 twins, it's like, can't be chess. It's all in the same room, but yet there's no adults, no children.
I was going to say Prince George.
Nope.
I don't know why.
King, queen,
You know the rules, guesses, hints, whatever.
and 2 twins.
Mhm.
Siblings?
Actually, it does sound like chess a wee bit.
It's not chess. There's no twins in chess.
What do you want to do? Use a hint or...
Please.
Hint? It's something that everyone has in their room, but can come within different sizes. Beds. I was about to say king size,
Oh,
queen
king
size, or twin beds. It's a good one, actually, isn't it?
Fuck, I just got it smart.
I read it and I was like, that's actually a good one. I wouldn't have fucking got that.
I was confused as fuck.
As soon as I gave that hint, I would have got it.
That's just outsmart you.
Right.
Holy shit.
Literally, see when he said the king and the queen, it sounded like chess.
King size bed. king size.
Right, I'm trying to square out the fucking
But
ones.
never mind that. How the
Right,
fuck did
yeah.
Mark not get the one with the leap year?
I don't know, because it was like 5 a.m. That's his excuse.
That was
Right.
bullshit. Straight up bullshit.
The time they come
Right,
on
this
the-
is one that's already been done, but I'm going to ask again. I'm a mother's child and a father's child, but nobody's son. What am I?
Oh, for fuck's sake, I don't know.
I brought this one back because he struggled last time.
you tried to do this to me again.
I'm a mother's son, I'm a father. Oh, wait a minute.
No.
Mother's
Right,
child
so
and a
I have a
father's
mother's child and a father's child, but I'm no one's son. What am I?
Only son.
I'm no one's son.
That's what I meant.
That's like the biggest hint of them all.
That's what I meant.
Oh my god.
You should watch the video and you'll find out.
Oh no, you'll find out. He's...
What?
I was on the same question, or
Yes, I'm waiting for one of you to answer or ask for a hint or get it right or what.
I don't know about to set up in the sky.
What?
No.
No, it's not. A fucking
This
hit.
is like the easiest riddle we've had so far.
Yeah, I'm not good with riddles.
Yeah, but it's too easy. It actually tells you what it is. It basically does if you actually think logic.
Mother's.
Right.
Even though
I'm a mother's child. I'm a father's child. So I have a mum and a dad, but I'm not their son.
Oh, adopted. I'd have forgotten.
only child.
Well, I fucking said, but adopted.
I think I was the only child.
I don't know, I give up on this. I'm just something new.
Was it the only child?
No, you can ask for a hint or you can give up. The hint's already given up.
Hint.
That was,
Head?
Wait, I don't know.
that was the last
No,
time.
was read
Do
that.
you want a hint?
Just say hint.
I'm gonna regret this so bad. Hint.
I'm gonna give you the same hint as I gave you last time, I'm pretty sure. Right, so you have a mum and dad, right? What are you to them? What? A what?
Son.
And what is your sister to them?
Daughter.
Ding, ding, ding. I don't understand how fucking hard that one is. If you're not their son, you're their fucking daughter. Jesus Christ. I don't understand how that one is hard.
I like the new.
I forgot all about it.
Right. I'm gonna ask this one again. What is the first thing you see in emergency, but you only see it twice in lifetime?
You're a dick. Fuck.
First time you see it.
Ah!
What?
Right.
No.
It's the first thing you see in emergency, but you only see it twice in lifetime.
Letter E.
Do you get it?
No.
Right, so emergency. Right, I'll just show you here. 'Cause
What's the easiest for me?
emergency, the first thing you see is the letter E, because that's
Oh.
what it starts with. It's twice in lifetime. He didn't get that last time, so I wanted to see if he get it again. Right,
I wouldn't have got that either.
you're next. You know what to do, obviously. Go down and just hit the answer.
Oh, fuck, that's right.
See, yeah, it's funny sorting them out, but like just watching the other two struggle, it's funnier. So you should have a kick out of asking us. You'll
I
move
know
around a wee bit, so I can't see it.
No, I was trying to look at it, I'm like.
That's why I kept like putting it down like
That'll
that.
be easier for me because I'll have to sit with it like a steer.
Yeah.
I will do this again. I've done this before.
What is it?
I have hundreds of legs, but I can only
A
be.
broom.
You dick.
Dude, everyone's fucking heard that one.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck off, I don't know.
Well, I could have said centipede, made it sound fucking easier, shouldn't we?
It's whenever he's like that, and you're like, I'm just gonna get you back. You're trying to fuck me
Oh
over. like I
shit,
fucked
I
you
shouldn't have said that.
over. Right, turn it around a wee bit round. Jesus Christ. Literally, just turn it like this, so I can't see it.
What?
What time of the day is spelled the same forwards and backwards?
What?
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 Oh, what time of the what? What time of the day is spelled the same forwards and backwards?
Your mum.
What time of the day is spelt forward the same forwards and backwards?
That confuses the shit out of me.
Why did you ask it, bro? The time of the day, forwards and backwards.
Oh, the time of day is spelled the same forwards and backwards. I can't even give you a hint because I don't even know what kind of hint I would do.
I give up with that. She can't give me a hint. There's no point.
Yeah, I
What
guess
is it?
that.
What is it?
Noon. I don't know why.
I was thinking afternoon, but I just thought I used the food word afternoon. Fuck's sake.
Well, we're fucking idiots.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
It's the fact that I used afternoon. If I had have actually just goes morning, noon, night, I would have got it. But I goes afternoon because I was using the full word in case it caught me out. But because I used the full word, it caught me out.
What is it that even the most careful person always overlooks? What is it that even the most careful person always overlooks?
Who knows?
Yeah.
Hey!
Even I don't know. I got that when I said that.
As soon as you said that, I said I've heard one
Because
similar to
everybody
this.
does that.
Yeah.
Across your nose.
Yeah, over your nose.
Your brother's brown. Fucking bring back the pickle.
Fucking
Right, you ask one more and then we'll give it the down.
A pizza weighs £10 plus half its own weight. How much does the pizza weigh?
You're here. Maz is in second with
Well,
strong
what?
suit.
Right, pizza weighs £10.
Plus half its own weight. How much does the pizza weigh?
I'm gonna say 15. It's probably not the answer. I'm gonna say 15. Is it 5?
20.
Yeah.
20? So pizza weighs £10, but half its own weight.
Plus half its own weight.
Oh, wait.
I didn't hear the plus
Doesn't
bit.
make sense.
I mean, you didn't hear the plot.
What? Right, so it weighs
A pizza
£10.
weighs £10 plus half its weight. Half its own weight.
I don't know, all I heard was half its own weight. I just said 20 because he said 15. It's like 20.
I thought it meant like the actual thing. I don't know. Just move on.
Do you want to try this time?
Yeah, give it to Daniel.
Yeah.
You know what to do, just hit answer and then it comes down. Yeah!
I was scared to move because of the
Riddles.
notification on the side.
Would you rather?
We'll be back with you after the news.
No.
Two people both ate exactly half of a chocolate bar and nothing else, but one person eats more than the other. How is that possible?
What was it?
I
Right,
didn't-
they both take half the chocolate bar.
Yeah. And one person eats more than the other half. How is that possible?
One person doesn't eat the full fucking half.
Braden, what do you think?
I was going to say that the person didn't hardly eat it, the other half.
Yeah. Is that not the answer? No. Right, so they
Yes,
both took half a chocolate
How
bar.
does that happen?
One of the chocolate bars are bigger.
They each eat half their own chocolate bar. One chocolate bar is bigger than the other.
Yeah. I was literally like, that's gotta be it. I don't know what the fuck else it would be. 1 point to Undisputed.
Right, did you
Subscribe.
ready?
Yeah.
If you throw me out a window, you'll leave a grieving wife. If you leave me in the middle of the door, you might just save a life. What am I?
Wait, what is it?
If you throw me out a window, you'll leave a grieving wife.
A wife?
Yeah, if you leave me in the middle of the door, you might just save a life. What am I?
The fuck?
Fuck.
A fig?
No.
Fake! You threw a fake out of it? No, that was my last cigarette! Right, so you throw it out the window.
I was going to say
Right.
personality, but...
It leaves a grieving wife, but if you leave it at the door?
Yeah. If you leave me in the middle of the door, you might just save a life.
Oh, a baby.
No.
Middle of the door.
Middle of the door.
Is it easy? Like, do you have any hints for it? Like any hints, like revolving it in any way? Nope.
Probably only hint I can give off is probably one of the ones Brandon did, like one of his questions.
What was that?
Wait, what?
Time of day. No, time of day one.
Noon? Wait, what?
You ever...
Dolphin?
No.
Right, you throw it out the window, it leaves a grieving wife. You leave it in the middle of the door, it might just save a life.
That's the only hint I can really give you for, because it's literally only a letter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Wait, what?
Is it? It's the letter N.
How?
How the fuck does that work?
If you throw it out the window,
I'll leave it
Since
grieving
when did
wife.
you ever
If you
fall-
leave me in the middle of the door, you might just save a life. What am I? The letter N.
you know. Oh, I get it.
I don't.
Right, so do you know right, what do you call a woman that's lost her husband? A widow. You take away the N, it spells widow instead of window.
I was going to say.
I get it. No,
I was going to say,
I get it.
How do you throw a letter out the window? Have you got like a fucking a letter waffle?
I actually get it. No, yeah, because if you take away the N, it's a widow.
Wow.
Right, you
I was actually thinking of you throwing a fucking object at the window. See, whenever you goes, you leave a grieving wife, and I was like, I don't know, you throw her fucking husband out of the window. You throw the alcoholic up. It's like, you fag, I was my last fag.
I threw it out. Fucking asshole.
Right, go ahead.
How many bricks does it take to complete a 2,000 square foot building made entirely of brick?
What?
2,000? How many, what? How many?
How many bricks does it take to complete a 2,000 square foot building made entirely of brick? That's pretty easy.
About 2?
No.
Oh, 2.
It's miles though. So,
2,000 bricks.
Wait, this piece of piss, trust me.
I think it's that easy, it's caught me off guard now. Right, so 2,000 square foot. 2,000?
No.
2?
No.
2? 4,000?
I was going to say 2.
You're getting further away.
20?
No, how am I gonna turn this into a hint? Let's see.
That's so.
Read it one last time, please.
How many bricks does it take to complete a 2,000 square foot building made entirely of brick?
2,000. And it ain't 2,000, is it? Because I was going to say, technically, if you lay them all down.
None?
Do you have a hint?
None? I don't fucking know. Why don't I go
Do you have a
Minecraft?
hint?
Why
I'm trying
don't
to think of one. Like, it's easy as you're trying to think of a hint to go with it.
Why don't I go on Minecraft and say fucking hell?
Fuck off! Go with you. Shit. What is it?
It's great when you don't have a hint in it.
Shut up.
Is the answer Minecraft?
If you're 1 point... Actually, hang on. If you're... I'm going to try and do this with basketball terms for Josh. If you're 1 point off winning a game...
What?
If you're 1 point off winning a game...
Right.
Like in basketball... If you're 1 point off winning... Like, getting a winning score in basketball...
Right?
Is it something?
What about it?
Is it something that's
One?
free?
Yeah, it's one.
What?
You only need one to complete the set. You ready?
Yeah. If you had have said like about a free throw, I would have got it because you said 1 point. It's like couldn't be 1 point. Where if you'd have goes a free throw, about 1 point.
What begins but has no end, and the ending of all that begins.
What?
What begins but has no end, and is the ending of all that begins.
Life?
Right, what begins?
What begins but has no end, and is the ending of all that begins.
Beginning?
Relationship?
Is this easy? Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
To be fair, I've got like all of ours up till this point, Bron. Take it away. Alright, read one last time, please.
What begins but has no end,
Right,
and is the
it
ending
begins
of all
but
that.
has no ends. Right?
And is the ending of all that begins.
Argument?
Began?
No.
The
Begin? I don't
the
know.
beginning? What?
Do you have a hint?
The middle?
Begins with D.
Dick. Dick.
Death?
Yep.
What the fuck? I just said life.
Oh! Oh!
I just said fucking life. Is that not like a hint for me?
No.
No, because it was the wrong answer.
Yeah, it was the exact opposite.
Seriously, fuck, look at that riddle. That there is such a tongue twister to say.
What begins but has no end and is the ending of all begins, death.
Well, life can
I'm
come
gonna
in.
ask one more.
Well,
for
life
this
can
one.
come in. Life can come into a wee bit of it.
Yeah, I'm
Because
gonna ask
when-
one more for this one.
Because when you have a life, you're dead.
What is 1,600 plus 25 and 1,700 minus 35 the same thing? When is it?
Don't know my massive shit, all new man.
I don't even know, Maz.
Right, I'll do this. When is 1600 plus 25 and 1700 minus 35 the same thing?
21 and 69. Best sex
This is
positions there
actually
is.
smart.
Well,
This is
I'm
actually
not smart, so I don't know why
Have
I'm
an
asking
IQ
me
of
that.
10.
I'm gonna ask one last time. When is 1600 plus 25 and 1700 minus 35 the same thing?
Never.
What?
Never.
No.
I don't fucking know what it was.
There's no other rules.
And
Okay.
We're the same.
Call of Duty is based on it.
Points.
When you're in Call of Duty, when you're in Call of Duty, you're part of what?
Army.
World War II, yeah. So, when you're using what?
I'm an army, but when you're using.
What is 1600 plus 25 and 1700 minus 35 the same thing? We're running out of time, so I'm going to tell you if you don't get it within like the next 15 seconds.
Are the codes?
No.
Commands? No.
Just give up.
Yeah,
Symbols
I
or
give
something?
When you're using military time.
Oh.
1600 plus 25 and 1700 minus 35 because you go, 1600 is in 4 p.m.
Building the entirety of a brick. Only one, the last brick completes the building. You only need one to complete.
How's that?
That's what I said. It's easy, but it's hard to think of a hint to go with it.
I just figured Minecraft.
Bullshit!